Look at this. Hola amigos, I'm Ulises Cruz and it's this plant-based masterpiece. Right now I'm gonna make Nutella, Nutella. Watch what I get. Crumb and 2 aioli. I don't know what is this. And I figured out I was working on this too hard and I found the problem. So I'm gonna show you how to don't do this and make the real plant-based Nutella. The most important part is one beautiful. Right now I'm gonna make it on my blender. Yep, I'm going to make it on this beautiful blender. I used before one food processor and was too hard. I was overheating, and it took me long time pushing, trying to break down and get the right texture until get it smooth or very creamy, and I didn't get. So right now I'm gonna show you how to do it on this beautiful blender. Also I'm gonna roast them. I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to use, the ingredients. Also hazelnut, how much is like 2 cups and a half, a quarter cup of cacao powder. Also this is cocoa, but see that it's the same, it's not a big deal. Pinch of salt, quarter cup of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use coconut butter. It's time to make it. So let's do it. So right now on 320, let's roast them. Something like 8 to 10 minutes or 8 to 12 minutes, depends. You should figure out. Just don't burn them or don't over roast them. So I'll be back. I'm going to remove the skin of those hazelnuts. How? Yes, I'll show you how. So just you can wait a little bit until it's a little cold. But also you can use 1 kitchen towel, make sure it's clean, and just wait. Wow, it's more clean, right? I'm gonna keep doing this. Amigos, you can use 1 bowl and toss them, keep toss them. And it's gonna be good, or another way to remove the skin. Let's see how it's going everything. Ta-da! Okay, it's more clean, I can see. So amigos, take your time please, be patient, and just keep doing this. So just keep doing this, amigos. So amigos, I already removed as much as I can the skin, but you know, take your time and be patient, doing it slowly, and it's time to use my blender. Just place your hazelnuts and blend them. So then what I'm doing right now is just breaking down or mixing or try to blend them until get the texture of the really good batter. It's too liquid. So just take your time. I know that it's gonna take longer, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So just keep in mind that before adding your ingredients, it should be very creamy or smooth, your hazelnut batter. Anyway, so I was melting my oil, you know, it's time to add the ingredients. Sea salt, vanilla. I don't want to make a disaster. And my coconut oil. Amigos, I'm going to add it a little bit of milk. Just a little bit. Just let your blender keep working and until get that texture that we're desiring. Amigos, guess what? I have very big troubles. I'm in big troubles. I told you don't overheat your blender, and this is what I'm doing. I overheat my blender. So I'm gonna finish this recipe in my food processor. Should be good. Everything's gonna be right. We're almost close to the texture. We're almost close. Oh my god, it's too heavy. It's not heavy. almost close. I'm gonna keep doing this. Oh my god, look at my hand. Wow. Keep blended. Also, for your food processor, just be careful. Because if I did this mistake, just make sure don't do it like this. And look at this, almost perfect. It's almost perfect. It's gonna take you longer, but it's going to worth it. Why don't add it a little more? Why not? Oh my god, it's getting a little hot, but finally. Oh my god, it smells good. 100 hours later, our homemade Nutella is right here. I hope you get this idea, and thank you for staying until right here until the last of this video. So it's amazing right now. If you see this texture, it's incredible. Oh my god, it smells good. It smells so good. Amigos, I have to go. Just I let you know that everything is possible. Anything is possible. Look at this. It's gonna take you longer, but it's going to work. So peace and love to your Nutella.